Hey guys, for this movement specific, we're gonna work on spine segmenting. That's the movement. So we're gonna use the wall and the floor for feedback. And that feedback is just gonna kind of tell you if you have segmenting or if you just have chunks. So what we're gonna do to start is pin all of the bones of your low back and thoracic spine up as far as you can to an object. Obviously having your legs a little bit farther away from the wall is gonna help. And then we're gonna just roll up the wall. So starting with the tailbone. So we're gonna peel away, keep peeling, keep rolling, trying to really go one bone at a time, trying to get as much separation between one before the next one comes off. And we're gonna roll all the way up to the base of the neck. And then we're gonna go down the same way, one at a time. Upper back tight, right? Keep those bones on, don't let them peel off. One at a time to go back. I'm bending my knees here because I'm trying to max out my spine flexion. And then this is the one right here for me. Sticky, it doesn't like to separate. Down at those last couple lumbars. Blech. All right, so we're gonna basically do a little PAILs work here. So you're gonna hold all of those bones into the wall, and then I'm gonna hold on here so that I can push harder, but you're gonna push your sacrum into, like you're trying to arch your back, but you're gonna hold with your stomach, and I'm gonna use my hands so that I can't actually come away, but just go ahead and try to arch your back. Push, push, push with that sacrum. And relax. And then I'm gonna try to loosen that up a little bit more here, pelvic tuck, and roll up through my lumbar, all the way up. So for me, that PAILs contraction is gonna loosen up a little bit of tightness and help me segment a little bit better. Oh, still tight. Okay, so I'm gonna go, let's do a cat-cow here. I'm gonna do some flexion PAILs. So we're gonna tuck our tailbone. I'm gonna get really loud if I tuck my head. So you guys tuck your head, but I'm just gonna keep it pleasant. Really, really tuck, flex your spine, and then knees and hands push away from each other. Push, 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 and hold. And stay in this position, but relax the push. See if you can tuck your tailbone a little bit more. And come back to the wall. See if you can get a little bit better. Yeah, definitely better now. Better segmenting, pulling those low vertebrae away. Go all the way back up. Trying to keep this in as much flexion as possible. And then go back. It's a little bit better, but yeah, those are some tight guys. Okay, that way. Then we're gonna try the floor, same thing. So we're gonna start with a roll up. So you're gonna tuck your tailbone and try to roll all the way up through your back, up to the neck. And then we're gonna roll it down, tucking your tailbone, one bone at a time to go back. And then you're gonna push your tailbone down into the floor super hard, keeping your belly and your low back on the ground. And relax. Tuck and roll. Roll back down. Okay, we're gonna sit up and do a different PAILs contraction here. So you're gonna round your low back, and then I'm gonna kick away here. So I'm gonna pull like I'm trying to do a sit-up. Or no, just trying to sit up. And ready. Go. I'm gonna tuck my tail underneath a little bit more. Try it again. And relax. Okay. And roll up one more time. So this would be something that you guys could do on a daily basis. You could do this video every day because it's really short. Just working on that segmenting, which we all need work on. Ah, God, that spot, so tight down there. All right. It'll get better with practice. Okay, guys, that is your spine segmenting practice in a nutshell. Hope you guys have a great week.